Alright, today we're going to take apart this Commodore Amiga 2000 that I picked up. We're going to take a check at the battery, because as we all know, the battery is known to explode on these computers. So, let's see what we could find. I'm not going to do a full test, but I will be taking her apart. And looks like this one's got at least one upgrade. I'm not sure what another part is, but we will find out. Always love these vintage computers. Looks pretty good overall, in good condition. Looks like we need both of those. She's got two hard drives in her over here. Let's unplug the power so we can pull out this beauty. Alright. Guru ROM. She's got a little corrosion on her. Glad we took her out now. Yep, see a little corrosion on the board. On the connector, it's a little bit black. So, you know what? I'm going to quickly clean that. At least put that somewhere else so we could hopefully save that. Yeah, looks like she's going to need a little bit of alcohol. We'll get to that after. Let's try and take her apart first. Yeah, looks like something happened over there. This is why I tell everyone not to power on these computers before doing a thorough check or doing some research, because the last thing you want to do is more damage to these machines. Pretty sure what I was seeing is there's a whole cage that comes out. One floppy drive, two floppy drives. Let's get that second hard drive out. Pull this out of the way first. It's just being a little stubborn. There we go. Alright, looks like we got two more over here. This is actually do a quick shout out to Mac84. It's actually just watching him taking one of these apart, or I should say repairing the board. So I figure, why not pull out mine? that is a video upgrade, is what I was looking at before. That is on there. So there's something. And the battery, let's see. Well, she doesn't look too bad. We'll take the whole board out so we can get a better look. As close of a look as we can until I get some better equipment. Yeah, a little bit of rust over there. You, and I believe you are the last one. Wow, I do see why they kept saying how big these boards were. So, how do you move? Should have done a little more research on that. Let's see what I'm missing here. She's definitely got some explosion on this red capacitor over here. So, I guess possibly you. If I'll remember, you go there. Your expansion. We got another one over here. Got a pretty low serial number, 008682 on this one over here. Alright. Plug you. Put you down over here. Put you down with the rest of your family. Alright. So it looks like you all have to come out, huh? Didn't bring the right tools down here. She doesn't look too bad. We'll see what the bottom looks like, but definitely needs some repairs, which is expected. Probably would have just slid out, I'm sure. But I just want to... Alright. So she's pretty clean. It's actually nothing really wrong. So we'll do a little bit more of a check. But that's a quick 10-minute teardown on the Amiga 2000. Alright. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.